What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing a speed test between the blue Vivo 11 going up against the LG Tribute Dynasty. First things first, we're going to talk about the internal specifications of each device. So with the blue Vivo 11 here, we have the Helio P22. It's an octa-core processor clocked at 2 GHz. It has the PowerVR Rogue GE8320 in it with the GPU. And with the LG Tribute Dynasty here, we're looking at the MediaTek 6750. It's clocked at 1.51 GHz octa-core processor as well. For the GPU, we have the Mali T860. With the LG Tribute Dynasty, we got 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. With the blue Vivo 11, we got 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. Now, usually after I show you guys the internal specifications of each device, I'll have a Geekbench score pulled up. I just want to let you guys know that, yes, I can get a Geekbench score for each device, but unfortunately for the AnTuTu benchmark score, I won't be able to do anything about that because I've always had issues with the LG Tribute Dynasty where I couldn't get an actual score from the AnTuTu benchmark. Every time they would try to do the test, it would just have an error in the middle of it or at the beginning of it, so that won't be able to be shown to you. But as far as the Geekbench here, you can see that on the LG Tribute Dynasty, we got a 578 and a multi-core score of a 2027. So comparing it to the blue Vivo 11, which got an 824 for single core and a 3365 for the multi-core, you know, you can see that it's going to be a little bit different in performance here. Application that we're going to open up first is the Play Store. So let's go ahead and get that cracking. 3, 2, 1. That goes to the blue Vivo there. Next application we're going to open up is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the blue Vivo 11 there. Next application we're going to open up is Spotify. So 3, 2, 1. All right, it goes to the blue Vivo 11. I don't know if this puts things into perspective of how fast the blue Vivo 11 is, but you can see the difference between one phone to the next. And the reason I'm doing this speed test is because both of these phones are octa-core processors. So I think it's a fair test only because they both have 8 cores. Next application I'm going to open up here is Google+. So 3, 2, 1. All right, that goes to the blue Vivo 11 there. Next application is going to be Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. All right, that goes to the blue Vivo 11 there. Let's do Netflix next. 3, 2, 1. All right, that goes to the blue Vivo 11. And if we get one more W, like one more win with the blue Vivo here, then I'm gonna have to declare it a knockout. Let's do Twitch then. So 3, 2, 1. All right, it looks like that goes to the blue, no, that goes to the LG Tribute Dynasty there. So, wow, looks like it came back at the last second to take one W. So what we're gonna do now here is test the RAM management on each device. Keep in mind, one has an extra gig of RAM versus the other one, but I didn't open up that many applications to give it a fair chance. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Play Store, held in the back by both of them. YouTube, held in the back by both. Spotify had to reload on the Tribute there. Google+, held by both. Instagram, held by both. And Netflix. I gotta sign into Netflix. Okay, so it held by both. So as you can see, I didn't have too many applications open up in the background here because you got to keep in mind that one device has, you know, a fewer 1 gig less than RAM, and it's not gonna be an entirely fair test. So when it came to the actual RAM management test, the blue Vivo here clearly took it. They had to reload anything, I don't think. Yeah, this goes to show you that, yeah, the blue Vivo, it's a blue phone, and it's not spec'd exactly the same as some other mid-range phones that are out there, but you can see that it can hold its own against your average budget phone, and it can hold its own against a like a much higher budget phone or a low mid-range phone like the Huawei Mate SE there. So if you guys have anything you want to see in particular here with the blue Vivo or the LG Tribute Dynasty in a future video, let me know in the comment section below. By the way, the declared winner is the blue Vivo 11. I didn't think I had to say it, but I'm saying it now. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And be sure to hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you can be notified of it immediately. But until then, My name is Max the Rock. I want to say thank you for watching the video, and you have a good day. Deuces.